Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Kindergarten Weekly Updates. Last week, the highlight was the Kindergarten Virtual Sports Fun Fiesta. KG1 Sports Fun Fiesta was held on 23rd of November, which had a lot of interesting and fun-filled activities for our little ones. Activities like jumping jack, balloon race, obstacle race, and the fun family activity, which parents also participated. I'm sure all the students enjoyed all the activities the same way we enjoyed watching them and planning for them. The KG2 Sports Fiesta was held on the 24th of November. The day began with aerobic session and later with the fun-filled activities which included ski hops, balance the block, obstacle race, family fun activity, listen and react, and it was fun to see students participate with great zeal and enthusiasm. The objective of Sports Meet was to inculcate the spirit of sportsmanship among our students and also to make them appreciate the value of playing together and cooperating and collaborating with each other. I would like to thank all the PE teachers, Ms. Kiran, Mr. Levin, Ms. Smriti and Ms. Neema for the excellent planning and the wonderful execution of all the sports activities. I would also like to thank all the parents for keeping all the resources ready. And lastly, our students for participating with great enthusiasm and excitement. We had two assemblies last week from KG2. KG2K assembly was held on the theme, Don't Be Greedy but Be Generous. It was a wonderful puppet show presented by our students. They all had their own puppets in their hand and they showed their skills of speaking as well as puppetry enthusiastically. KG2L assembly was held on the theme UAE National Day. Students welcomed us with the Arabic greeting Ahlan wa Sahlan, and they looked beautiful in their Arabic dresses. They danced, they sang at the tune of Arabic song and also presented how UAE was formed as a nation, and it is celebrated on 2nd of December. KG1L had its special assembly on the theme UAE National Day. Students were wearing beautiful headgears and they had painted their cheeks with the UAE national flag colors. They all looked beautiful and they also sang and danced beautifully at the tune of the Arabic songs. They brought in the importance of UAE National Day, why it is celebrated on the 2nd of December. At the end of the assembly, there was a lovely quiz time and all the students of all the different classes also participated. We really enjoyed watching, and the amount of confidence that we see in the KG1 students is really amazing. We had our PHG meeting this Saturday where we met all the PHG members of kindergarten, and we were so happy that they had no major concerns and also they appreciated the sports day as well as all the efforts of all our teachers. So we are very happy with the feedback that we got from the PHG members. So thank you so much to all the PHG members for always being so supportive and helpful and always being the backbone of our school.
Hello parents, welcome to this week's video log. Let's have a look at what KG1 and KG2 children have done in academics. KG1 children in phonics learned sight words can, but, to. They read few captions using these sight words. In literacy, children read the story The Fox and the Stork. They spoke about the moral value of the story, problem and solution in the story, and did mark making of the same. Moreover, in numeracy, children wrote before numbers from 11 to 15. They also revised ordinal numbers. Children were introduced to the concept of time. Lastly, in UAW, children revised the polar habitat. They also compared polar habitat with the other habitats they have learned. Parents, moving on to KG2, in phonics, children have done trigraph, I sound. They made sentences using words such as high, night, light, and many more other such words. Sight words under, want, and what were introduced to children. In numeracy, children did recap of number bonds 1 to 5. They had different hands-on activities related to the topic. Children learned how to decompose the numbers in different ways. Number bond is done to develop children's mental math skills. Moving on to UAW, children further explored the topic planets. They also discussed solar system. They also drew the same and explained the whole solar system independently. This is how the week went by with different hands-on activities. Enjoy your holidays, parents, and have a happy UAE National Day.
Commemoration Day is held on the 30th of November. As a mark of respect to the Emirati martyrs, we had gathered virtually at 11 a.m. on Monday, and we made sure that we are going to teach our students also to show respect and gratitude to the martyrs of this nation, and for that we kept a silence of 1 minute. Later, the UAE flag was hoisted as a mark of respect to the nation as we celebrate the 49th National Day of UAE, and we hoisted the flag together as an assembly at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. All the students gathered virtually, and it was a wonderful way to celebrate and show respect to this wonderful nation. So thank you so much, dear parents, for joining with us. Have a wonderful weekend, and it's going to be a long weekend, so enjoy your time.